In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to SMS alerts from Tradingview step by step, easiest way, 2025. If you want your Tradingview alerts to show up as text messages on your phone without installing extra apps, this approach uses the email alerts you already have and routes them through your mobile carrier's email to SMS gateway. It's simple, reliable, and great for quick, actionable notifications. First, open Tradingview and log in to your account. Make sure you're on the chart where you want to create an alert. On the right-hand toolbar, click the Alerts icon, the little bell. This opens the alert controls for the chart you're viewing, so the signal you set up will be tied to this symbol and time frame. Next, click Create Alert, the plus icon. This brings up the alert dialog. Here you normally choose your condition and basic settings, but our focus is on how the alert will reach your phone. Under Options, go to Notifications. This is where you tell Tradingview how to contact you when the alert triggers. Check the box for Send Email. Tradingview will email the address linked to your account when the alert fires. To turn that email into a text message, use your email provider to set up email to SMS forwarding through your mobile carrier. Most carriers have a special address that converts emails into texts. For example, formats like yournumber@vtext.com for certain networks. Look up your carrier's official email to SMS gateway format and use that address, replacing your number with your own number in the correct format. Keep in mind that many carriers limit message length to standard SMS sizes and may truncate long emails, so concise messages work best. Back in the alert dialog, type your custom message in the message box if you'd like. Make it short, clear, and action-driven, so it fits well into an SMS. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information. This message becomes the core of the text you'll receive. Set the expiration time for the alert. You can choose a specific date and time or a longer window, depending on how long the setup is relevant to your strategy. Be aware of your time zone and market hours so the alert doesn't expire earlier than you expect. When everything looks good, click Create to activate the alert. From now on, when the alert triggers, Tradingview will send an email, and your email provider will forward it to your carrier's SMS gateway, delivering it as a text to your phone. Delivery timing can vary by carrier, and standard messaging rates may apply. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.